Okay, so I got these new parts in. So I got the whole Jeep PPF'd, and I don't like, I've gotten these scratched up before from off-roading. So I bought these, and we're going to install these. See how much better that looks? We're going to install those. But once they're installed, I'm going to ceramic coat them. So these are on Amazon. I'm going to put an affiliates link in. But let's install these real quick. So they're very easy to install. First of all, you want to get your isopropyl alcohol. I do 99% because I use it on electronics. I do electronic repairs. Dab it on your finger. And what we're doing is we're doing just the rim. Just the rim. You just got a cutout right there for it. Here we go. You see the difference here? So again, you're going to do the isopropyl alcohol. You're just hitting the edge. Now this is ceramic coated. Was. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.